A new camera. I'm looking at a Nikon D850. The difference maker. A nice brochure with nice pictures. Beautiful women. Great portraiture. High resolutions, higher speed, greater versatility. It's basically an amazing camera. 45.7 megapixels. But the question is, do you actually need one? No, not really. I have this one. It's a Nikon D750 and I've had it for a couple of years now. I love that thing to bits. And it can do pretty much most things the D850 can do for a fraction of the price. Especially for day-to-day photography, it's an amazing camera. And here it is. It's my D750 Nikon. It has a, it was introduced in 2014. It has a 24.3 megapixel CMOS sensor. It shoots up to 6.5 frames per second at full resolution. It has a tilting LCD screen and it's 3.2 inches and it's non-touch. Well, you can touch it, but it's not doing anything. It shoots both RAW and JPEG, like most cameras these days, and it does videography. It shoots video in 1920 by 1080. It has built-in Wi-Fi and of course the microphone and the headphone thingy, HDMI. Basically it does everything you want, need and might want to have in a camera. Another thing it has is dual card slots. And the thing about these dual card slots is it takes cheap SD cards. This one costs $35. If you want to go for the D850, it needs a QXD card that costs about $300 or a next generation SD card and that costs about $75 or $100. The other thing is, this camera costs at introduction, and I have to look over, $2,300. $2,300. Right now it costs brand new $1,395. Used, it costs only $995. $995 for an amazing camera, full frame. If you want to buy a D850, first of all, the D850 costs $3,300. Then you need a SD card, that's about, let's say, $100, and a QXD card, that's, let's say, $300. Well, of course you can buy smaller sizes, but this camera does about 25 megapixel, 30 megapixel files, and the D850 does, because of the large sensor, about 50 or even bigger megabit files or megabyte files. So that's something to consider. For your day-to-day photography and around the house, kids, parties, well, even pro photographers that do weddings and that kind of stuff, this is more than enough. It scores very high in reviews, and it still is an amazing camera. I will show you some images and a review on Amazon and some images that I shot over the last couple of years to show you how great of a camera this actually is. For the technical details, I have some links below that you can check out, and yeah, that's it. So let's go over to the images that I shot. I shot some portraits, I shot some nature. I think I will show you a landscape, It's my well, day-to-day camera, so I'll shoot anything. Okay, let's have a look. I have selected 4 pictures. They were all taken with my Nikon D750 and a 24-70 Tamron G2 zoom lens. As you can see, the quality of the pictures is good enough, more than good enough, I think, and I do not think that buying a 47 or 46 megapixel camera will add anything new. I can do and take any picture that I want, and it's good enough. So for me, I don't know, because there is this little thing. Christmas is coming up, and maybe I just want that 46 megapixel. Who knows? Let's see what happens. I hope you enjoyed my pictures, and I hope you will subscribe and give me a like. That will make my day.